Okay, guys, welcome to OutBack here. Today it's beautiful outside, can you tell? Uh, we're out here at Rock Hill in Owensboro, Kentucky. I'm going to be doing a very unusual test. Normally, I'd take my normal rifles out. Today, we're going to do 22 calibers, but in an air rifle versus a 22 caliber rifle in 22 short. Are you ready?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, first attempt is going to be one of the clay pigeons on the right bottom. This is at 50 yards. This is the air rifle. That looked like it was a hit or slightly high. We're going to go with the second shot. I'm aiming slightly low. And that was a hit. Didn't shatter it, but it was a hit right on the edge. Matter of fact, I can see a hole through here from here. So that was the diamond back. Next one is an old Mossberg and Son. I'm going to put the second one up high. And it shot low. This is why I chose the shorts versus the pellet rifle today. Now I'm going to aim about 3 inches high. Got it. So the pellet rifle is zinging them in. You have to aim low, like an inch or two below the target, and it's smacking the target. While 22, you got to aim very high in order to hit repeatedly. So we'll try that again. That was a 22. And it barely hit right on top of the target. That was a miss. That was a miss. That time it actually went high. And that was a no shot. That was a no shot. And that's because we're out of ammo. Okay. I'm going to try something different. Very lightweight pellet, but I'm pretty sure it goes supersonic, so it'll be going in over at 1,100 feet a second. top of it, but it was aiming just a little high. And that aimed exactly where I was aiming, right at the bottom. I think I found my pellet for 50 yards. Now we're going with something a little different, a little higher. We'll say it's being very consistent. Yeah, for shits and giggles. There's a 100-yard target over there.
I heard it hit something.
Oh, it hit it. Go with something a little heavier. It's also be jerking around. And that was a little low. 22 short will not go that far out. It will drop 3 feet in front of the target every time. So this pretty much is going to conclude it. But I'm going to go one more time at 50. That's being a little bit more realistic. And that was high. So that was pretty much it. You know, if you wanted to take a little 22 caliber pellet rifle hunting, I think it would actually work. For now, see you guys later out back.